If you need to request a refund from American Express for payment that has already been processed, follow these straightforward steps to ensure a smooth process. Step 1. Gather your information. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Contact customer service. Call the American Express customer service number found on the back of your card or visit their website. Explain your situation clearly and provide the details you gathered in Step 1. Step 3. Submit a refund request. Follow the instructions provided by the customer service representative to submit a formal refund request. This may involve filling out a form or providing additional documentation. Step 4. Monitor your requests. Keep track of your refund request by noting any reference numbers or confirmation details given by the customer service representative. Check back periodically to see if there are any updates. Step 5. Follow up. If you do not receive a response within the timeframe provided by American Express, reach out again to follow up on your request. Be persistent but polite to ensure your issue is addressed. By following these steps, you can effectively navigate the refund process with American Express. Good luck!